Hello, my dear students. I, Harsh Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University, Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss with you on subject Environment Studies and Disaster Management on topic Ecology and Ecosystem. So, this is the content. Today I am going to discuss with you on brief Ecology and Ecosystem, Objectives, Scope, Classification. So, introductions to Environment, Ecology and Ecosystem. What is ecology? Ecology is a branch of biology that studies the interaction of living things with each other and with the environment. One more definition of ecology. Ecology is the scientific study of interactions among organisms and between the organism and their environment. Furthermore, classifications and introductions to the ecology on the following points. First, what is ecology? So we know ecology is the study of interaction that take place between the organism and their environment. Why do we study ecology? By the study of ecology, we understand the relationships in the ecosystems. It helps struggling the populations rebound, prevent species from drying out, understand how human impact the environment. And now if we consider about an environment, organism environment, so there are two factors, abiotic factors, all the non-living things that make up an organism environment, and the biotic factor, all the living things that make up an organism environment. So two factor, abiotic factors and biotic factors. What is ecosystem? An ecosystem is a place or area where living and non-living factor interact in complex way. The living part of ecosystem are called biotic factor and the non-living part of ecosystems are called abiotic factors. Example of ecosystems include forest, lake, desert, stream and many more. This is the biotic factor. All the living things come under the biotic factors. And this is the abiotic factors which include sunlight, wind, rain, water and soil. What are the objective of ecological study? Following are the objectives of ecological study. First, the interrelationship between organism in population and diverse communities, the sequential changes, structural adaptations and functional adjustments of different species in the ecosystems, the behavior under natural conditions of different species in the ecosystems, the development in the course of evolutions, and last, the biological productivity and energy flow in natural systems. So these are the objective of ecological study. Now, scope of ecology. Following are the points which cover the scope of ecology. First is help us to tackle problem like pollutions, floods, ozone depletions, global warming. It is necessary in maintaining ecological balance and understanding different cycle. Biogeochemical cycle, which includes oxygens, nitrogen cycles, sulfur cycle, carbon cycles, and many more. It helps in protecting flora and fauna. We can also maintain balance in nature and can prevent ecological disasters. And last, play an important role in human welfare, agriculture, conservation of wildlife. Classification of ecology. First is autoecology and second is synecology. In autoecology, it deals with the study of individual organism or an individual species. Like tree in the forest. So tree in the forest, tree is individual species or individual organism. In synecology, it deals with the study of group of organisms or species which are associated together as a unit. For example, forest. Forest is synecology because in forest there is a lot of organism and species which are associated and live together in a single unit. It concern with the structures, natural development of the community. Further subdivision of ecology is based on the following. First is based on taxonomic affinities. According to this, ecology is divided into two parts, plant ecology and animal ecology. Based on the habitats, ecology is classified as aquatic ecology, terrestrial ecology. In aquatic ecology, further classification is like marine ecology, freshwater ecology, stream ecology. In terrestrial ecology, the classification is under classified as grassland ecology, forest ecology, and desert ecology. Based on the level of organism, like desert ecology classified under two head autocology and synecology. Synecology is further classified population ecology, community ecology, ecosystem ecology. So thank you students. I hope you like these lectures. We will meet you soon. Till then.